Today we are starting with the topic sets. So first of all we will go with the definition. A set is a well defined collection of distinct objects. The objects of a set are called its elements. For example 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. These 5 numbers are the set of first 5 odd natural numbers. If I ask you what is first 5 odd natural numbers, you will also say it is 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. Therefore, these 5 numbers are well defined. So, whatever the well defined collection are, that is known as sets. A set is represented by listing all its elements between braces and by separating them from each other by commas if there is more than one element. Sets are denoted by capital letters of English alphabet, while the elements are denoted in general by small letters. If X is an element of set A, we write X belongs to A, or we can read as X belongs to A. If X is not an element of A, so we write X does not belongs to A. It means we read as X does not belongs to A. So the symbol belongs to is called the membership relation. Here this sign is known as belongs to and this sign is known as does not belongs to. We have different representation methods of set. We have basically two methods to denote a set. First one is tabular form or roster form. In this method of describing a set, the elements that are listed and separated by commas within brackets. So for example, the set of all odd positive integers less than 10 can be described as 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. If we see here, these 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 are the elements of the set, and for which we are denoting by representing between commas for every individual element. Let's go for second example. The set of all vowels can be described as A, E, I, O, U. Here A, E, I, O, U are the elements which we are describing it as by representing comma in between. Let's go for third example. Set of all natural numbers can be described as 1, 2, 3 ... Here 3 dots, that is ... stands for and so on. Fourth example, the set of the letters of the word examination is E, X, A, M, I, N, T, O. Here you can see we haven't represent the letter which are coming more than one. It means in set we are representing one single letter or one single element only once, not twice, not thrice, or we can say not more than one. So second representation method of set is property method or set builder form. In this method of describing a set is a variable x which stands for each element of the set is written under braces, and then after giving a colon or oblique line, the property or properties possessed by each element of the set is returned within braces itself. For example, the set A is equal to 1, 3, 5. This is in roster form. Can be written as A is equal to x colon x belongs to natural number and x is an odd number where x is less than 5. Second example, the set of all even numbers can be described as A is equal to 2n where n belongs to natural numbers. Third example, the set A is equal to A, E, I, O, U. This is in roster form. This can be written as A is equal to x colon x is a vowel of English alphabet. So I hope you understood this representation also. Cardinal number of finite set. The number of elements in a finite set A is called the cardinal number of set A and is denoted by n of set A. For example, if we have a set A is equal to 1, 3, 5, so its cardinal number will be equal to 3 because it consists 3 elements. Second, set A is equal to A, E, I, O, U. So its cardinal number will be exactly, that is 5. We have different types of sets. First one is finite set. A set having finite number of elements is called a finite set. For example, the set A is equal to 1, 3, 5. Here the set A is a finite set because it has 3 elements. Second example, let B is a set of all odd positive numbers. So B is equal to 1, 3, 5, 7 dot dot dot. So here we can say B is not a finite set. Why? Because we cannot count the number of elements. Here odd positive numbers are infinite, so this is not a finite set. Second type of set is infinite set. Exactly, a set which is not a finite set is called an infinite set. Thus, a set A is said to be an infinite set if the number of elements of A is not finite. For example, let n be the set of all positive integers. So n is equal to 1, 2, 3, dash dash dash. Here n is not a finite set. Hence, it is an infinite set. Example number 2. Let Z be the set of all integers. So Z is equal to dash 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 minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 dot dot dot. So here Z is an infinite set. Third one is null set or empty set or void set. A set having no element is called a null set or an empty set or a void set. It is denoted by the sign phi or only the braces which is starting and ending. Let B is equal to x, x belongs to natural number and 1 is less than x less than 2. It means the value of x should be between 1 and 2, but x belongs to natural number, so there is no any number which comes under 1 and 2. I mean to say there is no any natural number which comes under 1 and 2. So therefore this is null set. Next example is, let A be the set of odd numbers divisible by 2. Here it means that it should be completely divisible by 2. So we don't have any odd number which is completely or purely divisible by 2. So this is also the example of void set. Here is one note: the set in the braces 0 is not an empty set, as it contains one element, that is 0. The set, that is 5, is also not an empty set, as it also contains one element, that is 5. Fourth set is singleton set. A set having single element is called singleton set. It is represented by the element within the braces. For example, A be the set of President of India. Here we can say at once only we have one President of India. Therefore this is singleton set because it contains only one element. Another one is set of 2 or set of 0 or set of 5 is also singleton element because it also contains one elements. Next one is pair set or doubleton set. A set having two elements is called a pair set. For example, 1, 2, it is having two elements. R, S, it is also having two elements. So this is the example of doubleton set. So my dear friends, I hope you must have understood the basic concepts of set. Here set has not finished yet. We will very soon come up with second part of sets. Till then, thank you, and don't forget to subscribe our channel, and don't forget to click on bell icon. It will notify you whenever we will upload a video for all of you, and please do share with all of your friends. Thank you. Bye bye.